Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be highlighting different types of tribal rugs. Now, tribal rugs come from all different places throughout the world. This specific one is a Navajo rug that was woven in New Mexico. And what's so unique about these Navajo tribal rugs, besides the unique geometric design, is also the use of the vivid dyes and the fact that they're named after the trading posts that they're woven in. Next up, we have this beautiful antique Moroccan rug here that's woven on a wool foundation with a wool pile. And you can tell by how light this rug is that it's woven on a wool foundation. And this beautiful rug here is an antique Kurdish beejar runner. You could see has a medallion here in the center and a very unique turtle border going along the edge. And right here we have a beautiful Persian Shiraz rug from the Khamsa tribe that's also woven on a wool foundation with a wool pile. Again, you could tell how light this rug is just based on that factor. And this tribal rug here is from the Bakhtiyari region of Iran, woven from the Luri tribe. And right here we have a tribal ushak rug with a gorgeous medallion center, an ornate tribal border, and an overall geometric design. And right here we have this stunning Afghan Bashir rug with such a deep, vivid red, and you can see these very unique stars trailing all the way through. And last but not least is this beautiful 1870s Caucasian Shirvan rug from the Dagestan region. This design is a prayer design, so it's directional going this way, used to pray to the direction of Mecca. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we feature some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.